How to fix your card has been declined in ChatGPT. Recently, you might be facing this problem while trying to upgrade yourself from ChatGPT 3 to ChatGPT Plus. One of the reasons why you're facing this problem might be because of the unavailability of ChatGPT Plus in your region. So if you're trying to upgrade yourself to ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus, make sure that ChatGPT Plus is available in your region. And the second reason why you're facing your card has been declined problem might be because of insufficient funds. So before upgrading to ChatGPT Plus, make sure you have got enough amount in your bank balance. And third reason might be because of the problem in your card. Make sure your card is not expired. And if you're facing this problem recently, this might be because of the large number of upgrades that are happening around. Because ChatGPT has currently halted the process of upgrade plan and has been stopped in various regions. Although you might have been getting this option to upgrade plan, why your card is being declined might be because of the heavy traffic or high demand on ChatGPT. So you might have to wait until the OpenAI decides to access to this feature again. And lastly, if none of the solution helps, I suggest you writing an email to OpenAI about a card declination, and you can write something like this, or